Hi, I'm Matt Print and I'm here to tell you about my really exciting brand new ReStart Mindset and Nutrition course starting on Monday the 8th of June for 7 days. So maybe you've got in some bad habits during lockdown, maybe you're snacking a bit more, maybe you don't have regular eating patterns, maybe you don't even have regular meals, maybe you're in a bad headspace. Well, this is the answer for you. So maybe you want to feel and look a certain way for your summer staycation. This is going to be 7 days to kickstart your eating in a right and sustainable way. So I'm going to be giving you so much. I'm going to be giving you recipes. I'm going to be giving you knowledge. I'm going to be giving you education to take forward to make this a long-term change for you. So if this sounds good, I've got a really special offer this weekend. If you sign up, it's going to be only £17 for the 7 days. After that, it's going to be £21. So get in early. And if you've done any of my groups before, you know how community driven they are. They're really encouraging, safe places. There's no judgment, there's no pressure. We're just all in this together. And you're going to have the daily accountability from me, and you're going to have that community behind you to share tips, what's working for them, what they're struggling with, and we're just going to all come together and restart our nutrition and get into the right headspace to help make 2020 a really good year for your health and well-being. If you are interested and have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. You can text me on 07929 528412. You can find me on Facebook, Fitness with Matt, and Instagram, Fitness with Matt1, or head over to the website, fitnesswithmatt.co.uk. I look forward to you joining me on Monday the 8th for a really exciting new course to help you achieve your health and well-being goals. Bye!